The first floor is similar to the second floor that you can see over here. So this floor, including the slab and the beam, is similar to this floor, and also the height of the column. So over here you can see that we have drawn these columns, right? So these columns, and also we have drawn this slab. So this slab and these columns just now. So if you see over here, so these columns and these columns are of same height and of same nature. Similarly, so these floor beams and these floor beams of the second floor are also same. Also this floor slab is also same. So what we can do now is we can just copy the first floor to the second floor. Okay, this will save our time and energy, right? So if you got a multi-story building of like 20-30 floors, in that situation this will come very handy. So what we'll do, we'll select everything over here. So left click here. After that, drag your mouse, don't release the left mouse button, and once you reach here, release your left mouse button. So here you can see that all these structural members have been selected. Similarly, the columns have also been selected. Now all you have to do is copy these items to the next floor. For that, what we'll do, we'll go to edit over here, and we'll go to the replicate option. So to activate the replicate option, you can either come from edit and replicate, or just hit Ctrl+R. So we'll left click here. So we are not copying in the linear direction, that is, we are not copying anything in the X or Y direction, we are copying in the story. So we'll click on the story tab. So we are copying these things to the second floor as well as to the roof. Okay, so after that we'll click on OK. Now you can see in the 3D view that the structural members have been copied to the other floors. Over here you can see that here we got open terrace at the second floor, so which means that we don't have any slab in this portion or in this grid. So what we have to do now, we have to delete this slab of the roof, and also on the terrace we don't have any access given by the staircase, so we'll close this panel also. Alright, so we'll go to the Etabs. Now we are at the first floor, we'll go to the roof. So second floor is also fine, we'll go to the roof, and we'll delete this slab and hit delete. So if you see the 3D view, let's zoom in and let us rotate a bit. So once this slab is gone, we don't need these beams and the column, so we will select them. Just select this using this option. Okay, so all you have to do is left click here, drag your mouse, take your mouse up to this point and release your mouse button. So you have to make sure that your rectangular touches all the members that you want to select. Okay, so release your left mouse button now. So you can see that the beam, column and the beam has been selected. So after that, just hit delete to delete these structural members. So you can see the members have been deleted over here. So now we'll also draw a slab here. So just select this option or this option for quicker, and after that slab 125 is fine. Just left click here to get this.